Hey guys, what's up? What's up? So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my approach on learning a new trick. Okay, your style might be different from mine. So basically, what I wanted to learn in this video is how to do a split S and then right away enter the pergola. I've mostly done split S on big trees, and then I go under and I have mastered that, and it's quite easy for me now. But doing a small split S, especially in between, like for example a narrow space between two trunks of a tree, and then enter a gap underneath, I've never done that. So Sunday and today, which is Monday, that's the only thing that I've been doing. I broke so many props, and that's fine, you know, because if you don't keep on repeating the trick or the move that you wanted to learn, you're not gonna learn. So I was not worried about breaking props. So yeah, at this point, I started to becoming more familiar with how much I should push the throttle, but of course I still did crash. You'll see it later, and yeah, something like that. So I did a split S in between the trunk, and then enter the pergola. But anyways, so yeah, if you guys want to learn something new, you have to do it often, okay? And then you have to do it like in consecutive days, or if you don't have time, maybe at least do it like 3 times a week, or else you'll forget it. If let's say you become good at it for a week and then you stop, you're gonna forget it again, okay? So right now, this is my second day, and today is Monday, and I work from home on Mondays, and I usually try to fly my drone during my breaks, because I have work. All right, so yeah guys, don't worry about breaking stuff on our quads, because we know how to fix them, right? And then props are cheap, and yeah, just keep on flying, and then try to watch other pilots as well, and don't be scared asking other pilots on how they actually did the move. And most of them, like me, I will usually respond to people who are interested in a trick, like, hey Neil, how did you do that, the one on time 117, how did you do that, can you please explain it to me? Of course, yeah, sure, I will help you. I'll do my best to explain, and maybe try to do it in a form of a video, right? But anyway, so yeah, what I've been doing the whole day Sunday and the whole day Monday is doing this move over and over, just doing a split S between the two trunks of a tree, and then I wanted to do a smooth entering of the gap, yeah, that pergola thing. And at the end of the video, and I was really amazed, and I was ecstatic to see the progress that I have achieved. Still not smooth, but it's really nice, based from what my eyes are telling me. So it's I like it a lot. But anyways, guys, so again, my advice to you is to find or look for a trick that you want to master, and then keep on doing that trick over and over for days, and don't worry about breaking stuff, because that's how it is. If you don't break stuff, that's good, but if you don't break stuff because you're not trying hard enough, then that's not good. And then you keep on asking, hey Scott, how did you do that? Hey Joshua, how did you do that? You keep on asking, but you're not trying hard enough. You're not gonna learn, okay? You really have to push yourself, my friend. Just keep on trying and try and try. Don't worry about breaking the arms of the quad. Don't worry about breaking the props. Try protecting the battery, because that one is important. That's why I have a protection on my battery. It's a 5mm TPU with 50% infill, which protects the battery. And yeah, so motors will break because they're exposed, right? Your external monitor or camera, that's what I meant, camera, it can also break. So my GoPro Session 5 protector is like 3.5 to 4 mm thick. It's quite heavy, but this GoPro Session 5 is like more than 4 years old now, and it's still working today. Yeah, see, I was kind of scared when I crashed. I was thinking, oh, did the GoPro broke, or did the GoPro break? And I'm glad it didn't, but it broke one of the props. There you go. So yeah, guys, just keep on flying. Keep on trying and trying. Don't worry about breaking props. Man, I keep on saying that for like 1,000 times now. And maybe simulators like liftoff, I tried it, but man, just gets us like a little progress. It gives a wrong how do you call this, impression of the move that we want. Like for example, I was trying the half matic flip in liftoff, and when I tried it in real, it was quite different. So I stopped using liftoff. I didn't learn. I mean, I learned a little, but it's quite different from a real quad. Yep, so my video is about to end, and then you'll see some good split S to enter pergola here soon. Yeah, I kind of like that. Woohoo! So, and then after this one, after that one, the split S wasn't nice. I mean, it's okay, but it's okay because I did pitch back, I remember. Yeah, see, I don't like that. And then this last one was really good. Alrighty guys, hopefully you learned something from my all the things that I was saying. Please comment, and hopefully hope to hear from you. Wow, that's really nice. I love this one. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this episode, and I'll create more content. And guys, come on, let's talk in the comment section. I like chatting with you guys. Alright guys, keep flying and stay safe.